Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of our Back to School series. I'm Nurse Sue, and today we're going to discuss something really underrated that actually helps a lot when done right. Effective note-taking for presentations. Now, before you roll your eyes and think to yourself, not another boring lecture, please trust me when I say that this is nothing but predictable. We're going to explore some unconventional and fun ways to make note-taking a breeze and make your presentations truly shine. 1. The art of mind mapping. First up, let's talk about mind mapping. It's almost like doodling with a purpose. Instead of traditional linear notes, create a visual representation of your ideas. You can actually think of it like a vision board. Start with a central concept and branch out with keywords and connections. I think it's really creative, and also it helps you remember information much better. After all, writing alone can get really boring. And when you look back at your notes, all you see is just paragraphs of words. When you picture the presentation ahead of you, what does it convey to you? Draw it, doodle it, use highlighters, or better yet, stickers. Just let your imagination run wild. 2. The power of symbols and icons. Next, I suggest you use the power of symbols and icons. They allow you to distill complex ideas into easily recognizable visuals. So instead of writing out long sentences, use symbols or shorthand to represent common ideas. For example, a light bulb can represent an idea, whereas a heart symbolizes emotional impact, and an arrow can denote cause and effect. These symbols convey meaning at a glance and make your notes both visually appealing and highly informative. What's even more powerful is that symbols actually transcend language barriers, and this makes them universally understood. So what I'm trying to say here is that personalization is key, and you can definitely create your own symbols to match your own learning style. 3. Color coding your way to clarity. Now, let's add some color to your notes. Color coding is definitely not just for kids. Use different colors for different themes or concepts. It makes your notes easier to scan and helps you remember crucial points. For instance, you might use blue for main ideas, green for supporting details, and red for key examples or warnings. This method not only adds vibrance to your notes, but also simplifies the process of revisiting them. When you look at your color-coded notes, you can instantly identify the most critical information, which can help you grasp the material more efficiently and streamline your study sessions. 4. Record your thoughts and questions. Here's a unique twist for you. Record your thoughts and questions during a lecture. That's what I did when I was back in school also. Sometimes it's just these aha moments that can truly pop your presentation and make it stand out. Jot down your reactions or questions as they come to you. This technique turns your notes into a dynamic dialogue with the material, fostering a deeper understanding. For instance, if you're studying history and a thought about the significance of a particular event strikes you, you can record it right alongside your notes. 5. Turn your notes into interactive flashcards. Instead of passively reviewing pages of notes, you actively engage with the material by converting key concepts, facts, or questions into flashcards. These flashcards can have a question on one side and the answer on the other, creating an instant self-quizzing tool. This method not only aids in memorization, but also highlights areas where you need more practice. The last and 6th effective strategy I'm going to share with you is collaborative note-taking. Why not unite your powers and get a better understanding of everything, right? Partner up with a classmate or use digital tools to create shared notes. This collaborative effort not only broadens your perspective, but also ensures that no important details are missed. For instance, during a lecture, different individuals can focus on distinct aspects of the context, whether it's key points, examples, or questions. Collaborative note-taking also fosters teamwork, communication skills, and the ability to synthesize information collectively. Digital tools and platforms make it much easier than ever to collaborate in real time, even if you're not physically in the same location. So, I just brought together 6 effective note-taking strategies for your presentations, and I just want you to remember that it's all about making your notes to work for you, not the other way around. Get creative, use icons, use symbols, colors, and collaborate with others. Your presentations will thank you. If you think you could definitely use these tips, then please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more effective tips to succeed in school and beyond. Thank you so much for joining me here today, and I'll see you in our next video.